delivery here. We're about 12 miles away. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. Now we're just going to close out the year with a couple more days. So it was about 22 last night. Rather on the chilly side. So we're off to make our delivery. Get these louvers off. Get that box of trim off. Then we will see where we are off to next. And if I'm lucky, I'm heading all the way out to Seattle again. That'd be a nice little run to end the year off with. So we are basically got myself staged. I got 66% of my straps undone. I got one strap per set of louvers. holding it down. So just enough so I can move up the hill and everything stays secure. But that way when I get up to the top of the hill, up to my left here, up that road right up there, so I got to back up, turn around. Then they're going to take me up the hill, get me unloaded up there. Then we'll get ourselves offloaded, get ourselves packed away, and then we will be on the road again. So while I wait for my offload, watch a little YouTube, watch all my trucking YouTube video makers. Have me a cup of hot chocolate. Still see the steam coming off the old kettle. But it's a nice, bright, sunny morning. Clear skies, supposed to be bright and sunny today, which hopefully will help the temperature. It's still below freezing right now. We'll watch a little Sasnak. Wait for them to come get me and tell me to move up the hill. About another slow morning. All right, finally getting unloaded here. So we're basically in gravel and mud, but everything arrived safe and sound. Nothing shifted. The only problem was that one bit of wood right there cracked, but they, just the wood too thin for what you're trying to when you're trying to secure it. And just a bad bit of grain just caused it to break, but just that one piece on all of them. So other than that, it's going good. All right, we're getting unloaded. Job fork.
Oh, that's good.
So it's gonna take a little process, but we're gonna get it off. As long as I do it safe, it's all that matters. Forklift in this position. Reaching the crate on the opposite side. Crate fell off during unloading. One crate dropped by crew unloading, running a forklift. Tilted it right off the passenger side. Had to reset it to this. See the after effects of the crate being dropped. All the wood broke apart. Well. That took an interminably too long amount of time to do. I got here at 7 a.m. It is now 1:25 in the afternoon. That was ridiculous. Oh well, par for the course, I guess. So now I got to get myself turned around so I can get the heck out of here. Yeah. Turn on my flashers. the room to turn around right here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's always fun when it takes far too long to do some simple things, but you know. Yeah, well, what do you expect? I don't know why they didn't have us come up this way. Would have been a whole lot easier. You know, the simple thing to do is make the gate large enough. Yeah. That's weird. That's we're gonna head over to the old Walmart, I think. I'm going slow because too many potholes. Ground is starting to thaw out a little bit slushy and mushy. I don't want to be spinning tires more than I have to. And plus there's people working outside, walking around, so I don't want to be hitting anybody. right. And you were empty.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
Head off. There. Alright, so it's about 5 miles over to the Walmart. Send in our macros. And then we'll see what's up. I mean, I've already wasted 6.5, almost 7 hours today, so.
Proceed to the highlighted route.